We have given decimal number. Why? Because we have decimal point. And decimal point goes between ones and tenth, or we can say units and tenth. So we have decimal number and we need to round this decimal number first to the nearest unit, next tenth and hundredth. So first let me rewrite our number. We have 629.547. First step, we need to decide which is the last digit to keep. We need first to round our number to the nearest unit. The unit is always first digit to the left of decimal point. This is our unit, or you can say 1. So we have 9 units, or we can say 9 ones. First, we need to underline our digits to which we have to round our number. Next, we have to check what we have after this underlined digits. After underlined digit is 5. When we have 5 or more, we need to increase our underlined digit by 1. So we need to add 1 to our underlined digit. And what else? Everything after underlined digit we have to change to zeros. So 7 now will be 0, 4 will be 0, 5 will be 0. We have to copy next decimal point. And now we have 9 plus 1 is 10. So we have to write 0 and we have to keep 1. And 1 plus 2 give me 3. And we have to rewrite 6. When we have zeros after decimal point, we don't need to write these zeros. So our number will be 630, and we can write decimal point. This is our rounding to the nearest unit. Next, we have to round to the nearest tenth. So again, we copy our number 629.547. This number we need to now round to the nearest tenth. Tenth is always the first digit after decimal point. So is our 5. We have 5 tenths. Next, we have to check what we have after this underlined digit. It's 4. When we have less than 5 after our underlined digit, it means that we have to leave this underlined digit the same. We don't have to do anything, and every digit after this underline will be now 0. So we will have 7 will be 0, 4 will be 0, 5 we have to copy decimal point, 9, 2 and 6. So zeros after 5 we don't have to write because this is not necessary. Our number will be 629.5. This is rounding to the nearest tenth. Next, we have to round our numbers to the nearest hundredth. So let me copy our number is 629.547. First, we need to find the digits to which we have to round our number. We have hundredth. First digit after decimal point is tenth. Next is hundredth. When we move to the right from the decimal point, each position is 10 times smaller. So we have tenth, hundredth, next will be thousandth, 10,000, 100,000, and so on. So hundredth is the second digit after decimal point. We need to underline the digit. And now we have to check what we have after this underlined digit is 7. When we have 5 or more after underlined digit, we need to increase our underlying digit by 1. We have 7, so we have to add 1 to our underlying digits. So now we have to do just addition, and every digit after underlying digit now is 0. So 7 we have, so now will be 0. And now we have to just add 4 plus 1 is 5. Next 5 we copy. Decimal point we have to rewrite 9, 2 and 6. So our number rounded to the nearest hundredth will be 629.55. That was rounding to the nearest hundredth. This is my solution.